Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write for loops. For loop, while loop, both concepts are same. It will actually easy your work. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to write for loop. Okay, so here you can see I have created for loop.js a file, JavaScript file, and I have to source it in HTML file. Okay, through script tag. All right, now I will say here for let's say I want to print from 1 to 100. So what I have to do, I have to say for we need a variable at first, so I will say let the variable, and here I will say I. So I want to actually show from 1 to 100, so I will say I is equal to 1. I have assigned I value as 1, and then I will say I is smaller than or equal 100. Then I will increment it. Why? Because I need to increment the value to continue the loop. So now here I will say console, because I want to print in console, so I will say console.log. I will say I, and here you can see all the value, right, from 1 to 100. Name here, let's say I want to say const let's say name. Okay, and here I'm going to create an array, and let's name first name as Yamin. Okay, the first value, and the second index value is let's say Tanvir. The third one is let's say Wasi. Now let's say I want to show them, so I will say console.name and console.log, right? Here I will say names. You can see the array, full array. But let's say I want to show individual character, so I can actually use for loop. So I'll say for, so this is the another way to write for loop. I'll say let let's say x in name. Okay, and I will say just console.log. Here I'm going to say, all right, I want name, but I'll give here x, and here you can see Yamin, Tanvir, Wasi. What will happen if I say name only? Here it will show 3 times. Here you can see the first one is this array, and these 3 are from this loop. Why? Because now x value is 3. X value is 3. Why x value is 3? Because here we have mentioned that, okay, we can see that 0 index, 1 index, and 2 index. So our array length is 3, right? I mean, we have 3 value in our array. So now x value will be 3. So it will actually run 3 times, and it will show every single time a full array value. Okay, that is the reason actually it's showing 3. But if I because of the arrays, I mean the x value is the index number, right? If I show you, you can see if I say x, here you can see the index number 0, 1, 2. So actually I can use it in the name. So I will say name x, so it will actually show me all the index value. Here you can see Yamin, Tanvir, and Wasi. Okay, first time the x value is, let me show you, the x value is 0. Okay, so it will actually show 0 index value. How? And the 0 index value is Yamin. And now second time x value is 1, so it will show Tanvir. And third time x value is 2, and it will show Wasi. And we have another way. Let's say I want to show them as, let's say I want to show them as, let's say let x in name. Not actually, here I'm going to say off. So we have 3 way. Okay, the normal for loop, then in, then off. So here I'm going to say console.log. I'll say here only x. It will show me all the value. Here you can see Yamin, Tanvir, and Wasi. So here when I use off, we haven't actually mentioned the index number also. Okay, when you use in, you have to mention index number to print all the value individually. But when you will use off, that time actually you don't need to say here index number. You can actually only mention the x value. I mean only mention the x. Okay, then the x value, all the index number value will be shown. Here you can see 0 index Yamin, the first index number 1 is Tanvir, and index number 2 is Wasi. So these are the ways actually you can write for loop. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.